Welcome. This video will introduce you to WebSockets and Socket.io. We'll explore how to build real-time communication features for modern web applications. WebSockets are a persistent connection protocol. This enables bidirectional communication between a client and a server in real time. This is unlike the traditional HTTP request-response cycles where the client always initiates the request. Let's compare WebSockets with HTTP. HTTP follows a request-response cycle, where the connection typically closes after each response. It also has a high overhead for real-time applications, often requiring techniques like polling to get updates. WebSockets, on the other hand, maintains a persistent connection, enabling bidirectional communication with low latency and overhead. This allows real-time data to be pushed from the server to the client. Socket.io is a JavaScript library that simplifies the use of WebSockets. It enables real-time, bidirectional, and event-based communication between web clients and servers. Socket.io provides automatic fallback support, an easy-to-use application programming interface, and cross-browser compatibility. To start using Socket.io, you'll need to install it on both the server and the client side. For the server side, use the command npm install socket.io. This will install the Socket.io server library for Node.js applications. On the client side, use the command npm install socket.io client. This will install the Socket.io client library for browser or Node.js clients. Here's how you can set up a basic Socket.io server using Node.js and Express. First, require the Express, HTTP, and Socket.io modules. Then, create an Express application and an HTTP server using Express. Next, attach Socket.io to the HTTP server. Finally, listen for incoming connections on port 3000 and log a message to the console when the server is running. To handle client connections, use the on method on the IO object to listen for the connection event. When a client connects, a socket object is passed to the callback function. You can then use this socket object to listen for events from the client and emit events back to the client. To handle disconnections, listen for the disconnect event on the socket object. To connect to the Socket.io server from the client side, first, include the Socket.io client library in your HTML file. Then, in your JavaScript code, create a new socket instance by calling the IO function. Finally, listen for the connect event on the socket object to know when the connection has been established. To communicate between the client and server, you can emit and listen to custom events. On the server side, use the socket.emit method to emit an event to the client. Use the socket.on method to listen for events from the client. On the client side, use the socket.on method to listen for events from the server, and the socket.emit method to emit events to the server. WebSockets and Socket.io are ideal for building real-time applications, such as chat applications for instant messaging, multiplayer games for real-time gaming experiences, collaborative tools for live document editing, and live data feeds for stock prices and analytics dashboards. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.